Let me tell you that we had a convocation very recently at Sheikh Central School. A boy had a breathing problem. Initially, in the very first week, I noticed a boy who was not able to say lengthy sentences, long sentences, but I could notice a spark in that boy. I noticed passion in that boy. I encouraged a lot, and there were lots of judges as well in the convocation to evaluate performances on different aspects. And he stood first, mashallah. So we have invited that boy, Muzammil, studying 8th standard from Sheikh Central School. He mesmerized the audience with his sublime confidence and amazing flow of English language. Muzammil to deliver his talk, and that is very inspiring speech. Never give up. Yes, you may.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. I am Muzammil. I'm a student. I'm studying 8th standard at Sheikh Central School, Belgaum. If I hold mic in my hand and addressing such an elite gathering, and if I am audible to such a big gathering, it is because of the power. Ladies and gentlemen, don't judge me wrong. I'm not talking about the muscle power, and I should not talk on it. I'm talking about the electricity. I'm talking about the efforts Thomas Edison made to invent light bulb. He made back-breaking efforts to achieve his goal. But do we really know the kind of efforts he put in during course of his mission? He failed many times. He failed hundreds of times. In fact, he failed 10,000 times. But he never lost his heart. He never got disappointed. He never gave up. Every time he failed, his enthusiasm doubled up to reach his goal. And he said, I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. A dark night turns into a bright day. A bright day turns into darkness. Life is all about the ups and downs. The joys and sorrows. The success and failures. Nothing stays permanently. In the process of achieving big goals, we come across big problems, many obstacles, many hurdles, many challenges. We feel disappointed. We lose our heart. We lose our confidence. And eventually, we give up. Ladies and gentlemen, we give up at this stage without knowing that we are just a step away from the goal we are trying to reach. We give up at this stage without knowing that we have reached the threshold of destination we dreamt. We give up at this stage without knowing that we have almost made it. My dear friends, all the problems, obstacles, and challenges are the opportunities for us to prove our potential, our ability, our mettle. Muhammad Ali was one of the greatest heavy boxers in the history of sports. It was told that in an interview he was asked how many sit-ups he would do. He answered, I do not count my sit-ups. Elaborating to his answer, he said, I only start counting when it starts paining. I only start counting when it starts hurting. When I feel the pain, that's when I start counting. The miles you have run and the work you have done will not actually count. The extra miles you run, the extra work you do will take you to the culmination of success. There will be obstacles, but we should defy them. So do not give up. Do not give up. Continue. Continue. The goal is ahead of you. I end up my talk with a quote of former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who said, difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. Let the difficulties know that you too are difficult. I thank all the learned judges, eminent personalities, and of course our trainer Zama sir for giving me this opportunity to speak a few words at this momentous occasion. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Wonderful, wonderful performance. A wonderful performance that was. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have the gentleman here, Abu Sheikh Sahab. You have gems in your school. You have got to tap them and motivate them. Children are very talented. And the management, it is the responsibility of the management and teachers to tap the talent and encourage. And it is the responsibility of even parents and the society to encourage such students because they are blessed with immense potential. You have witnessed he is not the only one student. Many students have been trained. Even we had the convocation last year. Students of Madani school, almost all of them from Urdu medium, they delivered wonderful speeches. They held the audience spellbound, mesmerizing all the hall with their amazing confidence.